Hello, I received your question. Heights of a men on a baseball team are bell-shaped with a mean of 183 centimeters, standard deviation of 5. Use the empirical rule. What is the approximate percentage of men between the following values? So I'll do A, and maybe you can do B. I don't draw the bell-shaped curve here, or try to. The mean is 183. And then on your problem here, you want to find out how many's between 168 and 198 centimeters. So 168 will be over here somewhere, and then 198 will be over here somewhere. So we want to find what's in here. We want to find that. And so what you have to do is take your value here, subtract the mean from it, and divide by standard deviation. And that'll tell you how far away how many standard deviations this 168 is from 183. So if I do that, 168 minus 183 over 5, that's what, negative 15 over 5, that's negative 3. And if I do it also for 198 over minus 183 will be positive 15 over 5, which is positive 3. And so this value is these two values here are three standard deviations away from the mean. Is what this arithmetic tells you. So the empirical rule here, it says all the data within 3 standard deviations of the mean, that's bell-shaped, that's 99.7. Within 3 standard deviations, so 99.7. If it's 2 standard deviations, I believe it's 95, and 1 standard deviation, it's 68. I hope this helps.